A few moments later.
Well, update. The red Exciter, 26 now, just blew up. Paul's heading back on the blue sled right now to try to get a fill up so he can take the bumper off and tow the thing home. This really sucks, but at least we will be able to get some Weissicos in this thing. It just blew up, so I don't know why, but it popped at the intake or the exhaust. I don't know. He was riding it. Paul was riding it, and then he said it was low on compression. And then we went to go get a strap to tow it back right there, and it was locked up now. So, not quite sure, but it definitely is going to need a new top end. If it is a bottom end, I do have a bottom end, but that bottom end is probably going to need a top end because it's locked up right now from sitting. So, hopefully we can get this thing running again before too long so we can take it up north to the cabin and ride it there.
Well, folks, got no problem. Yeah, punctured line. We were running over by the church over on the other side of the road, and it went pop, 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 and then it died. There was little to no compression, or there was a little bit less compression. Came back to get a strap to pull it, and then it just locked up. So, in the course of an hour and a half, we've gotten it unstuck. We'll just... It used to go from this, not even be able to pull that, to... So, that's good news. It's definitely blown up. Don't know how bad. We're gonna replace the top end. At some point in time, we're gonna check the compression once Father Keith gets here. If it's above 90 or 95, we're running it
For this winter.
Yeah. And since we're planning on keeping it, we'll get it better throughout the summer. Fix it up, put some Weissicos in it. So yeah, something I forgot to mention, the heat exchanger on the bottom of the sled has been torn off some sort of stump, and all the coolant's gone. That's why it locked up in the first place. So the hose is torn in some place. We're gonna have to replace that. Yeah, put some pictures on in here. Hold truck all the way open. Really? Yeah. Well, it won't go anywhere because it doesn't have a belt. Alright, good.
Oh, he melted piston. Oh boy.
God
Oh
damn.
my god.
Compare them.
No, don't rotate it.
Holy shit, dude.
What I said was right. Holy crap, that is bad.
That is disgusting.
Yeah, if this gets to be any more tougher than it is, I'm just gonna do it. eBay. can go to the store. Ask them if they got some of these.
This is like really loose feeling. No throttle.
Check the coolant. It's holding coolant. What happened?
I don't know.
I was scared of it.
Kill switch. Not yet. We gotta get that skid plate on there. need to check the coolant. What?
Fire it back up.
It's probably just stuff burning off.
I was gonna say something smoky.